Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your GCash account, and how to send money from PayPal to GCash. To link your PayPal to GCash, open your GCash account. Tap the profile at the bottom right side. Then tap My Linked Accounts. Here, choose PayPal. Input your PayPal email address account. Then tap Link at the bottom. Then scroll up and you will see the Authorize button. Then tap Authorize. Then we need to log into our PayPal account. Input your PayPal email address and your password. An OTP will be sent to you via SMS. Do not share your OTP to anyone. Input your OTP, then tap Continue. We have now successfully linked our PayPal to our GCash account. Now I'm gonna show you how to send or transfer money from PayPal to GCash. In your GCash, tap Cash In at the top right of your homepage. For easy access, you can just type PayPal at the search box. You will see a notification at the beginning, saying that you can only transfer money from PayPal to GCash with a minimum amount of 500 pesos, so you cannot transfer the money if it is below 500 pesos, and before you transfer the money, you have to convert it first to peso if it is in other currency. So let's begin. Input here the amount of money that you want to transfer. You will see here the total amount of your balance in your PayPal. Tap the Next button. Then tap Confirm. You will see a notification that the money will be transferred within 24 hours, and you will also receive an SMS that your transaction is completed. Now I will check my GCash account if the money has already been transferred. As you can see, the money has been transferred immediately. It didn't take a long time. That's how easy to transfer money from PayPal to GCash. You will also receive an SMS saying that the money has been transferred to your account. I hope you liked this video. Please tap the like and share button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day to all.